It's 205 miles to Bluefield. Got a full tank of gas, half a pack of M&Ms. It's dark. I'm wearing sunglasses. Let's hit it. All right, well, about an hour and a half into this. Stopped in Statesville to get some gas. Roads are wet coming through Hickory on 40. Now I've started hitting rain. It's not good. But, I mean, it kind of looked like we were gonna hit that anyway, but I'd rather not. So, I'm gonna gas up, and just for Joe, I'm gonna pull over here in the Ingalls parking lot and put tire wet on this thing at 5:30 in the morning. So, I'll probably stop again about Fancy Gap. I hope this music doesn't hurt me. So, thanks, sweet Caroline. We are in Bluefield, and I had this plan that I'd take a little detour to something I drove by my entire life probably, and instead of go through the mountain, we'll go across the mountain, the East River Mountain, and we'd hit this lookout, and I'd show you Bluefield from up here. But yeah, I promise it's down there somewhere. I mean, you can hear Bluefield, but we ain't seeing it. So this will be short and sweet. Get back in the car, get off this mountain, let's go to the show. All right, we made it here at Madness in the Mountains. The weather, well, you know, I got a couple vehicles I need to be on the lookout for, so I believe I'm gonna go ahead and start wandering around and see who we can find. So let's go look at some cars.
Competition Products, your source for hardcore engine parts for street, strip, and oval track. Our free catalog is packed with hundreds of product lines from the best-known manufacturers in the performance industry. Lowest prices guaranteed. Free shipping and handling on all orders over $149 in the continental U.S. Need expert advice? Our knowledgeable staff is just a phone call away. Competition Products, race parts sold by racers since 1970.
round trip to Bluefield and back Saturday. Couldn't ask for a better trip. Flirted with some rain on the way up. Tried to rain just a tad while we were at the show, and same with the way home. Just, you know, I guess it just stayed just enough in front of me where the road really wasn't wet until I got all the way back to the house here. I don't know what to say. Another great show. They really do it right with that show, and from what I understand, this is the biggest one so far. I think this is the 5th one, or the 4th one. I should probably have my facts straight. Man, they had, I think he said 470 some cars. Gave out probably close to 175 or more trophies. A bunch of trophies. This junk managed to win top 3 patina, so I appreciate that. So maybe I will be back next year. I'll have to do something to it between now and then, try to up the game a little bit. But yeah, great weekend, great show. Weather worked out fantastic. It really looked bad at the beginning of the week. Well, through the whole week. I finally had to just quit looking at the weather. Talked to a bunch of people, a bunch of nice folks. But I also gave out one of the 2023 Left 4 Dead Garage Young Hot Rodder trophies that I had made up to Josh Schaffer and his 98 F-150. That thing has a ton of subs in it. Him and his dad's been working on it pretty heavy. He says he's, you know, even where it's at, it looks pretty good, but he says he's got a long list of to-dos left to do. So, but yeah, he's 17, been putting in the work. I thought it was a pretty cool truck. So, and I tell you, I looked at 4 or 5 and talked to a couple people. Man, judging car shows, I don't know how those guys do it, because I just had one to pick and it was tough enough. So, but yeah, congratulations to him. He got Super Clean Products, $25 competition products gift card, t-shirts, stickers, that sort of stuff. But yeah, great weekend. If you haven't been, I highly suggest going. I mean, it's well worth the trip. From what I understand, next year's supposed to be bigger. So, I'm not gonna miss it, and I don't think you should miss it either. So, and with any luck, I want the dually there next year. Not only this, but I want my dually there. You know, I want both. This thing might even get a ride on the trailer up there, but I doubt it. We have to, this thing's made to drive, so I have to get somebody to drive the dually. But I also met a guy who's friends with the people that I got this from. He walked up to the Impala and said, "Man, I've not seen this car since I was underneath it strapping it down to a trailer." And I was like, "Wait a minute, what?" But yeah, he was there when they drug this thing from its I guess its grave at that point. So that was probably one of the coolest things of the weekend. Other than winning the Patina Award, hey, surprised I'm not wearing that thing like Flavor Flav, because why not? I ain't never won anything like that, so hey. But I'm gonna quit yammering, get in here and finish this video. Nice meeting everybody. Tons of nice rides. Everywhere you look. Everything. From rock crawlers to bag minis to Sweet Victory Magnum motorcycle. All kinds of stuff. Alright, well, thanks for watching Left 4 Dead Garage, and we'll see you on the next one.